Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make just plain white rice in a rice cooker. You can use the same method with a pot, but I'm just going to show you how to make it in a rice cooker. I'm going to use 2 cups of white rice. Well, actually, it's basmati rice. I'm just going to pour that in. And actually, the method that I'm going to be using, which is the finger method, you don't actually have to measure. You just have to use your finger to be able to determine how much water you're going to put in there. So there's 2 cups of basmati white rice, and I'm going to go wash it. Okay, so here's the water in there, and I'm just going to twirl it around like this with my hands. You see how I'm using my hands like this? I'm actually washing the rice. And see how it's like very cloudy? The water has to be somewhat clean. So you probably washed about 3 or 4 times. I'm going to dump that out, put more fresh water in there, and wash it another 3 times. I've finished washing my rice, and you'll see it's still a little cloudy. It's never going to be completely clear. And I've already added some cold water to here. So my method, and the method that is an easier way to be able to figure out how much water to put in, is you put your finger in, and just as long as you touch the rice, once you touch the rice, at the very first knuckle, like this part here, the water should go here. I did not use my nail. I used my actual finger. So it's only really about this much. And that will give you the perfect kind of fluffy rice that you're looking for. So I'm going to add some butter, probably about maybe 2 tablespoons of butter, or like a heaping tablespoon of butter. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I sprinkle that in there, maybe like a teaspoon. And then that's it. So we put the cover on, and then turn it around for you to see. I have just a very simple one like this. And I turn it on. And then it will turn itself off when it's ready. And then I'll show you how nice and fluffy the rice is. So the rice is done. It goes on warm on its own. This is why I really like rice cookers, because like I said, it'll never burn. It just sits there on warm, waiting for you to eat it. So let me show you. There, see, it's not like wet. It's nice and fluffy. It just sits there and it's warm. So I just want to show you. Look. See? It's nice and fluffy. It's great. And no burnt rice, and it's ready. And it tastes good. What else can you do? Just a quick little video to show you how to do that. The finger method is always going to work. Like I said, to here, this part here. So your finger, put that much water, and you're good. As long as your finger just now it doesn't touch the bottom of it, it touches the rice. So your rice goes here, the water goes here. Simple.